Do-it-yourself garden shed / greenhouse, Part 2, Framing the Floor. I got my footings all poured. Now you don't have to do this. You could use patio stones if you wish. Now I'm building a 10 by 14 garden shed. And 10 by 14 is 140 square feet. And in this county here, anything under 200 square feet, you don't need a building permit. Now I'm going to put this building on skids in case I want to maybe sell it someday and we can drag it out of here without any problem. So I got some rough 2x8s, 14 feet long, and I'm just going to make a little angle on here so it'll skid better when it comes time to pull this around. Now I'm building the floor out of rough lumber. So I got 2x4s and they're 10 feet long. And what I want to do, I want to make sure the ends are square. It's right on. That's good. So now I'm going to cut them to length. Okay, I'm going to put double rim joists on this shed, and the inner joist, I'm going to cut 4 inches off it. Measure floor joist position on inner rim joist at 16-inch center. Mark floor joist position on inner rim joist using framing square. And where this is rough lumber, I use the wide end here to mark where my joists are laid. Before I nail all the floor joists into place, I want to check the squareness of this floor. .206 3/4. .205 1/4. So I'm off 1.5 inches. So this is a smaller number. So I'm going to bring this side over about 3/4 of an inch. .26.5. Gotta come some more. .206. Just a 1/16 under 206, so that's great. Okay, now that I got all my floor joists nailed into place, I want to mark a center line. That's 124, and a half of 124 is 62. 124. 62. Now I'm going to put some blocks in the middle of the floor joists. It'll help stabilize the floor. And when you do that, the best way to measure is out here by the rim joist. Okay. 14 and an 8. $14 and an 8. Now before I nail this last piece in, I'm going to take a measurement. Make sure the center measurement is the same as that rim joist measurement. $164.5, right on. Now I'm going to check the squareness again. It's off 1/4 of an inch. .206, and the other measurement should be 206. .206, right on. There, that'll hold the floor square. Yeah, I'm going to put double rim joists on this floor just to make it a little more stable. $124. Okay, I got a bit of a step here, so I'm going to use a wedge to put that up. There I stagger my joints, kind of overlapping this way, drive spikes in this way, spike that way, and just locks that corner nice. I'm going to put a corner brace in here to help keep the floor square. 14. $19 3/4. Okay, I like pre-drilling these so they don't split. I got everything all squared up, so now I'm ready to put my posts underneath. Now this is going to be the side that I have my door on, so I'd like to have it about 6 to 8 inches off the ground. So I'm going to bring that up a couple inches. There, 6 inches. Okay, this is a 6x6, and this came right from the mill. It's rough, and it's an actual 6x6. So I want to check to make sure it's square on the end. Oh, it's a little bit off, but not too bad. Now I need 6 inches. Now that blade doesn't go quite through, so I have to finish it with my hand saw. This is WeatherTech's Ice and Water Shield. Come up a bit. There, right on. 9 1/4. Okay, 9 1/4. Okay, she's good and level. I just want to check it to make sure there's no bowing or sagging here. And all I do is just take my chalk line. Oh, she's right on. That's 8 1/2. Inches. Right on level.